Hey everyone, we're here again to learn more about speed. Today we're going to focus on the formula for speed. So let's take a look at this so we can review over the triangle for speed to try to help you understand this formula a little better. Okay, so let's remember that speed is represented by the variable s. Okay, so speed is s. Speed is measured in meters per second or kilometers per hour. Distance is represented by d. It goes in the top of our triangle. D is distance, which is measured in meters. M or kilometers. km. And our third variable here is t, t for time. And time is measured in seconds or hours. So once you have your triangle filled in, next you can look at our different formulas here. Okay, so speed equals distance divided by time. Distance equals speed times time. And time equals distance divided by speed. So those are our basic formulas. Okay, so let's look at this example. It says a car traveled 50 kilometers per hour, which is the speed, for 2 hours, which is our time. How far did it travel? So we're going to write down our variables here, d, s, and t. We're going to use the information out of the problem to help us figure this out. Okay, so we have 2 hours for the time, and we know the speed is 50 kilometers per hour. How far is our distance? Okay, so we're going to use this formula right here for distance. Distance equals speed times time. So we're going to plug our numbers in. So speed is 50 times 2, which is going to give us our distance of 100. Now, don't forget your units. So the units for distance, because this is in kilometers, our answer will be in kilometers. Okay, so there's a quick example for how to calculate distance is speed times time. All right, let's do another example. Okay, this one says a police car traveled at 30 kilometers. So 30 kilometers is the distance in 0.5 hours. That's our time. How fast did it go? So how fast is a measure of speed. So let's look here. Distance is 30 kilometers. Speed is how fast, what we want to know. And time is 0.5 hours. Okay, so we're going to use our formula. Speed equals distance divided by time. Okay, so speed equals distance divided by time. So we have the distance is 30 kilometers divided by the time of 0.5 hours. So plug it into the calculator. Remember, whatever is on top is what's going to go in the calculator first. Okay, so here we go. We're going to do 30 divided by 0.5. So that gives us 60. So the speed here is 60, and then we're using these same units, kilometers per hour. All right, one more example to find time. So it says a man runs 100 meters, which is our distance, at a speed of 10 meters per second. How long did this take? So how long is what we're looking for. So let's write down our variables. Distance is 100 meters. Speed is 10 meters per second. And the time is what we are looking for. Okay, so we're going to use this formula right here. Time equals distance divided by speed. Oops, wrong color. Okay, so let's put our numbers into our formula. So 100 meters divided by 10 meters per second gives us our time. So once again, whatever's in the top goes in the calculator first. So here we go. We have 100 divided by 10 gives us a time of 10. So what units is it going to be in? Well, this is meters per second, so we know that we're going to keep those seconds. So our answer is in seconds. All right, guys, I hope that helped you focus a little more on the differences between our three formulas for calculating speed, distance, and time. Have a good day.